Breaking up on Valentine's Day can be particularly challenging, as it often amplifies the emotional pain for both parties involved. Before making this decision, reflect on your reasons for choosing this day, whether it's to cause hurt, a realization that you're not feeling the love, or simply the culmination of compatibility issues. It's crucial to approach the breakup with empathy, considering your partner's feelings and the possible fallout. If you decide to proceed, think about timing and location. An early breakup may allow your ex to handle the situation better, while a private setting is more respectful than a text or email. Prepare what you want to say, focusing on clear, honest communication, and rehearse to ensure you convey your feelings thoughtfully. Ultimately, while Valentine's Day may seem like a fitting time to end things, weigh the emotional impact and consider whether a different day might be kinder for both of you.